In this video, I'm going to show you how you can compare teams on SofaScore. It's very simple and easy. In my previous video, I showed you guys how you can compare two players. So I'm showing you guys how you can compare teams as well. So you can do this if you are trying to stick a bet. So now let's come to our favorites. And now let's move to our teams here. I have some teams I love. So let's use Real Madrid. Good. So we open the Madrid profile on here on SofaScore. Good. So we wait for it to be fully loaded and everything here you can see. Good. So now all we need to do is, let me drag this here. So you can see at the top right corner of your screen, you can see the star there. You can see notification bell icon, and then the next button is what you are going to click on. Tap on that. Good. So now we have Madrid already selected. Now we need to add our team. Good. So let's say Madrid and Barca are playing this weekend and we need to compare them and then make a stake or make a prediction. So you can see these are the two teams. So Madrid starts on the left of your screen and Barca starts at the right of your screen as well. So goals scored 16, 21 in this season. So you can change the season. So under the Madrid, you can see when you tap on that, you can change the season. You get it? And you can even choose Champions League, FIFA or Club World Cup, Super Cup, Copa del Rey and all that. So let's use 2022-2023 data, and now let's change the same thing to for Barca 2022-2023. Good. So you see here, so in that season Madrid scored 75, Barca scored 70, 38 matches. Goals conceded, Barca conceded 20, Madrid 36. So that's it. You can scroll down and you see all the stats here, fouls and all that. So that's it on how you compare teams on SofaScore. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.